Hi, I'm Ryan, and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm in Clinton, Missouri, at their town square. Let's go see what we can find. As always, it's after 4, so everything's gonna be closed. This building here is part of that museum, the Henry Museum that I came from. They're using it as a theater, I think. Yes, children's theater. There's supposed to be a whole bunch of murals in town by, don't remember his name, something Brook. And let's see if we can find them all. I think there's somewhere like 20 or more. So I don't think that's gonna happen, but we'll see what we can find. I'm sure that's the courthouse there. We can go look at the sign. Let's go look at the sign. You didn't see it, but I seen a car coming and I ran for it anyhow. That's how we do it here, in some place or another. This is, oh, it's shady here. Oh, much better. Let's see if there's anything interesting here. These are all regular stores, which is good. I love it when a town square has traffic. It's a pavilion. I'm sure they have live music here. Let's go look at the sign. This is why the museum's called Henry. This is Henry County. Well, I'll see if I can let this so you can pause it. Originally organized in 1834 by William C. Rivers. Well, I'm just scanning it. If you like to read it, I'll try to leave it like this for you. I guess we'll go clockwise. Wait, that's counterclockwise, Ryan. Now look, Sherman Williams. This is clockwise. Looks like the Chinese place has got business. That's good. Loans made easy. Here's a mural over here. Let's check this out. It's Britt's house. Yeah, wasn't it something? Richard Brooks. There we go. We'll just pretend I remember that name. There's more on the other side. Oh, that's why there's so many. They're small. Okay. This is the way the courthouse used to look. Oh, the tower's not there no more. So what do you think? Lightning, neglect, took out the tower. It looks like the whole courthouse has been restored. Those are all modern windows. Okay, got the malted cow here. I like the name of that. We got the Elks Lodge, chartered in 1906. Wow. I got distracted by the ice cream shop. Look at the men's warehouse. Men's wear. You know, they're pretty good with their advertising because when you say men's, you just want to pop out warehouse. We got the t-shirt factory and Ben Franklin Bistro. And you get a couple bars down here for hanging out on the weekends. You know, get a little traffic down here. Whoa. Yep, there's the Clinton Water Tower. If anything else, you could do a video on just the names they use for these stores. Jewelry, wait, are they empty? No, they got stuff in there. Must be a hardware store of some sort. They got rentals out front. Get free drinks. Oh, but you can't read it. You can't see the free drinks. Here's the bistro. So wait, this place should be open on Saturday night. No, they're open. No, they close at 2. Huh. I wonder why. I guess there's not enough people. This is the day I melt. I know temperature-wise, it's not that. Oh, it's 91. I stand corrected. It's hot. In the Midwest, 91 is hot. I know if we live in the desert, that'd be cool. But in the Midwest, it's hot. There's the train depot. If I remember correctly, it was moved, or maybe just spun a little bit. The Courtyard Grill and Bar. They're closed right now. and a mural. We got to get a shot of that. Is that time right? I think so. Okay. I'm just laughing at myself, thinking, oh my gosh, I'm getting home late tonight. This is the perfect mural for the weekend it is. Well, next weekend is 4th of July weekend. Or maybe it's this weekend. I think everybody celebrates after. She stopped instead of getting in my camera shot. That was very nice. I know you won't see this, but thanks. Very cool. And now would be a great time for a train. I don't think the tracks are used super often, but they are shiny-ish. So maybe there's Cycles Creamery and Alberting Chiropractic and Acupuncture. This will be more for next year, but that's going on next weekend. Unless I really quickly edit the video. Did I edit the video quickly? Oh, I found another mural. The Clinton. I might be paranoid, but I think I'm being stalked by that truck back there. I'm probably paranoid. Oh, looks like Serrano's Family Mexican Restaurant is open. T&M Appliance Sales and Service. It's been around the block a little bit. One of these days I need to go earlier in the evening so I can catch a downtown square that's open. There's the vac shop. I'm guessing it used to sell vacuum cleaners. Probably not anymore. That's the professional building. So no amateurs allowed. She sells quilts and flowers. I guess in this day and age, I'm not supposed to say she. I don't care. There's Owl Cigars. There's Clinton. Oh yeah, the baby chick capital of the world. Did you guys know that? Oh yeah, and Chinker Check, which I always known as Chinese checkers, which I guess in itself might be racist. It's fun to play though. In honor of the week come ahead, 4th of July weekend. Well, I would always take a picture of the flag, but now it's more important. I didn't realize they were handmade and only a nickel a piece. What a bargain. Oh, you know what I've noticed? People really are doing this. They're really walking the bicycles. All right, the gallery. I was invited inside, so we'll take a quick peek.
About 30 artists in here.
30? Wow. Oh, there's a tractor. So 30 artists display their art. Is there any general, they just have their own little wall?
Pardon?
The artists have like their own little section?
Yes. I mean, we'll have 4 artists on one board, but everything from amateur to professional.
Looks familiar, the location.
Yes, it's here from Clinton.
Ah,
That's a David Street painting.
that's cool. What's a nice shop you got here? Thanks for watching this small town tour. It was short, but this is a neat little town. Looks like they're prospering. The store owner I was just at, we were talking, I was like, you need to figure out how to get people open on a Saturday. And she's like, yeah. But I don't know. Okay, have a good day, bye. Lee Theater Square 109 Restaurant and Bar. But they close at 2 p.m. on a Saturday. I personally think you guys should be open. Maybe there's not enough foot traffic and it just doesn't matter. There you go. You want to open a storefront?